1,000-year-old surgical kit found. One of the funeral bundles that was unearthed at Huaca Las Ventanas, an archaeological site in Peru's Lambayeque area, had a surgical kit, which indicates that the death was an accomplished surgeon. Lambayeque and northern Peru have never had a discovery like this. An archaeological excavation at Huaca Las Ventanas' southern necropolis in 2010 and 2011 found a funerary bundle known as number 77. To preserve it from floods from the nearby Leche River, it was removed together with its soil and sand surroundings. The museum received the found materials and preserved them for future excavations. In 2021, the National Geographic Donation Fund grant made it feasible to thoroughly study bundle number 77, a decade after it was first discovered. Between October 2021 and January of this year, the excavation took place. Copper plates and gilded copper bowls were among the items found inside of the bundle. The gold mask was decorated with cinnabar. There was also a bronze pectoral. Huaco Rey was shown as a little figure at the top of a clay cup with a twin spout and curving bridge handle, Huaco King. Archaeologists were particularly interested in the surgical set. A comprehensive complement of awls, needles, and knives of different sizes and configurations are included in the huge box. About 50 knives are available, some with only one blade. Most are made of a bronze alloy that has a significant amount of arsenic. It's possible to find wooden ones. In addition to the swords, there is a tumi, which has a half-moon-shaped blade. The tumi was surrounded by a metal planchet with a surgical sign on it. Adult and juvenile frontal bones were located near to the planchet. The trepanation procedures used to cut the bones leave marks on them. This proved that the instruments were meant for surgical usage. As remarkable as the tools are, they were found in Paracas in 1929. The tools, on the other hand, are constructed of a variety of materials. Volcanic obsidian was used to make the blades of the Paracas set. They were sharp. Unknown tree bark discovered in the bundle may have been used to manufacture an analgesic or anti-inflammatory infusion, similar to how white willow bark makes aspirin tea.